to 411 Old Manor Road. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 3rd floor condo in the Briargate Condominium community in Northwest Columbia off of Broad River Road. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison, and downtown Columbia as well. So that was just off the hallway. This unit is at the back of the building that sort of goes out to the common area outside. On the inside of the property, you have a living room open to the dining room. Also goes out to the covered balcony here as well. Take a look at. So again, it is covered. You can see outside area. So this is the when you come in to the back door that's closest to the unit. But there is again some shared area down there, picnic table, barbecue grills, and some trees also. And then back inside, take a look at the dining area and kitchen. It's a small dining area here off the kitchen. It's a Galley-style. You have black appliances, electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. And then down the hall to the left here, just a utility closet. But to the right, you have your 1-bedroom. Large room, has 2 windows. Then it has a closet, walk-in closet that passes through to the 1 full bathroom as well. So nice size walk-in. You have 2 racks on that side, and then behind the door here, some additional hanging space. And then again, your full bathroom has a single sink, large countertop. There is small linen closet on the opposite side here, and then a shower and tub, and the door back out to the hallway. So just a view from the other side there, and then right back out in the hallway here, you have a storage closet at the end of the hall. No shelving or rod in that, but it is nice open storage for some items. So that again completes our tour of this home. Address is 411 Old Manor Road in the Briargate Condominium community in Northwest Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.